Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope by the grace of Almighty Allah, all of you are fine. Dear student, I am Muhammad Shah Jahan, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Dear student, today we will discuss chapter 1, and you know that this is Introduction to Accounting. Today's lecture will discuss MCQ. Dear student, nowadays MCQ play a vital role for getting A plus. Dear student, you know 30% marks from MCQ. In your exam, 70 marks from CQ and 30 marks for MCQ. So this part is very important, dear student. Dear student, and this is very easy to get this mark. Dear student, at the end of this lecture, you will able to know about important short question from Introduction to Accounting chapter. Dear student, let's come to our class. The subject which gives the instruction for recording and outstanding skill of analyzing process of monetary transaction is called accounting. Dear student, that means the subject which one give us the instruction for recording and outstanding skill of analyzing process of monetary transaction. That means accounting help us to record transaction and it teaches us the technique for recording, and that's why accounting is very important. Dear student, accounting is called language of business. Accounting is called language of business because of designating accounting as a language of business. That means why accounting is called language of business. Why it is called language of business? That means economic condition can be understood and recognized by it. That means accounting can help us to understand the economic condition and we can recognize it from accounting. The main reason of accounting is to determine financial condition. That means accounting is doing for determining financial condition of an organization. One of the main objectives of accounting is ascertain the financial condition and result. Industrial expected result could be gained. That means the desired result of a businessman can be ascertained by controlling expenses. It is possible to locate the motion of business by through identifying profit and loss. The profit, loss and financial condition can be known by recording all accounts. Gaining economic solvency is possible by controlling expenses. Assessing financial changes and taking decision of an organization is helped by accounting. Government accumulates revenue by collecting VAT, duties and taxes. In ancient time, people used to keep accounting of stocks by making marks on wall, home and making knots with the help of ropes. Dear student, necessity of keeping account was felt by at first Luca Fasulli. He is the father of modern accounting. Dear student, by developing science, technology and business, accounting also developed. That means how Luca Fasulli started accounting, nowadays we are not using that way. Now we have the different technologies for using accounting. Dear student, accounting is also known as information system. Users of accounting information, two types. Books of accounts and other documents are prepared by accountant. internal users of accounting information are. That means one types of users. Earlier we have told you that there are two types of users of accounting users. Number one, internal users. Number two, external users. The internal users are owners and managers, and the external users are creditors, government, worker, officer, even student also use the accounting information from an organization for researching how they are keeping their account. Dear student, recipient loan repay the loan because of accounting consciousness. That means if you have accounting, then you can easily get loan from different organization, or you can pay the loan because you know the time when you have to pay, otherwise you will become a bankrupt. The mentality of making expenses according to income can be created by keeping proper records. Main source of government income is VAT, customs, income tax, etc. Dear student, fraud and forgery reduced if proper accounts are kept. If we keep record, nobody can fraud or forgery from our business. That we can easily find out if anybody do any types of fraud. Dear student, remain responsible to third party means accountability. Conservatism, maintaining rules and regulation, and honesty come if we have accounting consciousness. By keeping account, one can know profit, loss, asset, liabilities, income, expenses, etc. That means if you keep record, you can find out what is your profit, what is your loss, how much asset you have, how much liability you have at the end of the year. Which one is the main objective of accounting? Ascertaining the financial position is the main objective of accounting. When there is a notable change in accounting after the introducing of money, there is a notable change in accounting. How we know about the financial position of business? Keeping proper record. If we keep proper record, then we can know the financial position of business. The scope of accounting is wide. That means from family life to country, even worldwide. That means we can do accounting for family, we can do accounting for your business, we can do accounting for your country, we can do accounting for your subcontinent, we can do accounting for the world also. That means that's why we have World Bank, we have regional bank, we have central bank, all are kept record for the concern. How we can know about the financial position of a business? Keeping proper account. By keeping proper account, we can know the financial position of the business. The scope of accounting is wide. Luca Pacioli was a first and Italy and philosopher of Italy. Dear student, you know that Luca Pacioli is the father of modern accounting, and he discussed accounting in his book. You know the name of the books also. Dear student, the first book of accounting is Summa di Arithmetica, Geometria Proportionate and Proportionalita. Dear student, Luca Pacioli was a mathematician. Look at, he is first, he is philosopher, now he is a mathematician also. In his mathematics books, he write about accounting in one chapter of bookkeeping. In which century the modern accounting is started? In 15th century. When there is a notable change in accounting? After introducing of money. That means when the money introduced, after that accounting started a new era. Dear student, these are the some important MCQ. I hope all of you understand. If you have any confusion, you can talk to me, you can discuss with me. Dear student, keep it in your mind that MCQ is your important part for your exam. Dear student, now some homework. Who is the father of modern accounting? Earlier I have discussed when modern accounting started, 1494. In which city modern accounting started? In Italy. It is Venice. Write the name of first book of accounting. Summa di Arithmetica, Geometria.